Hello and welcome to DryBags. We're just heading off paddleboarding and I thought I'd share with you one of the bags that we always take with us. This is Overboard's Pro Light waist pack. This is the 2-litre version. They do a 4-litre version as well. It's rated IP66, which means it floats if you drop it in the water, and we've trusted that, done that enough times. So it's fine for a quick submersion. It's great for taking small valuable things out on the water with you, like your phone or first aid kit. So this is a stuff sack and it's great for foul weather. It will keep a little bit of damp off, but to keep a vital kit like a first aid kit dry, you really want to put it in something that's going to be 100% waterproof. So you drop it in the top, pinch the top together and give it 3 full turns. And there's 2 ways of securing this. Either one, clip together at the top, you get a nice little handle, or alternatively you can clip it flat down the side there, so it's a slightly lower profile and a neat finish on that. It's got a little front zipper in that that's IP65, so it'll keep some of the water off, but don't put anything that's too valuable and too important in there. I use it for carrying the lugs. These are if your fin falls off your inflatable paddleboard, these are vital to replace it, so I keep those in there. So we've got a nice padded strap, and probably the coolest feature is a zip away drinks bottle holder. You can get a litre and a half drinks bottle in there. This is perfect if you're going out for an hour or so on the board. You don't want to get dehydrated. We use this for everything from paddleboarding, we take it out hiking, cycling, occasionally take it kayaking. It's perfect for taking your valuables with you wherever you go out in the elements. Highly recommended.